Hello everyone, so we are going to repair the power button of my parents' mobile. So let's open the cover. You see, this button is all went inside, and same for this side. So there's a rubber kind of a bush which is there, which basically taps the button inside, but due to long usage over time, and then these button stops. So let's open it up. You need the, so I have not yet arranged it in a proper way. Let's try this one. Okay, I think the screws are already here, so I've already removed these two screws. I think last time I've not put it, so let's put it on silent, where it is silent. Or to use this phone or to, okay, there would be slider, I guess. Yeah, so I've put it on silent. I'll be bringing that particular part. So here is the product. Let's cut it off quickly and see if they have provided the correct product. Looks fine. I think this particular green thing, if you see, this is the basically the part which gets damaged, and this is for the volume rocker, this is for the power button. So let's quickly open it up. Last time I used some plastic ones, but I think it would not be required this time. Let's see. Quickly slide my nails inside that, so that this part can, let me move it a little higher and try to find that particular. Maybe it will help. तो पिछले 10 साल में 3 बार दिल्ली के देश के गृह मंत्री और एक बार देश के प्रधानमंत्री ने पूरे जाति को बुला के बोला, अगर प्रधानमंत्री और गृह मंत्री झूठ बोलेंगे, अगर प्रधानमंत्री और गृह मंत्री अपने वादे को पूरा नहीं करेंगे, अगर प्रधानमंत्री और गृह मंत्री को जाटों की याद केवल चुनाव की पहले आती है, आप देख रहे हो हर चुनाव के पहले जाट समाज को बुला के, we got that edge. We can take it off. So okay, I forgot to do one more thing. I forgot to remove the SIM card, and that's why this is not opening. So
This is how the back plus back part looks like, and all the buttons are here. So if you see, here we have for volume rocker, and here we have for the power button, and as you see, this is already gone down. So let's try removing this. I believe there was something I did last time.
शिक्षा और रोजगार में इन लोगों को रिजर्वेशन मिल सकता है। तो हमारा निवेदन है कि जो धोखा 10 साल से भारतीय जनता पार्टी दिल्ली के जाट समाज
थिंक ये बाहर नहीं आता था, बट इट यूज टू कि यहाँ पर भी अगर आप देखेंगे पीछे देयर इज
दिल्ली के पूरे जाट समाज को ये वादा कर रहा है कि मैं आपके लिए संघर्ष करूंगा और मैं केंद्र सरकार से करवा के लेके आऊंगा, चाहे मुझे जो मर्जी करवाओ। तो कोई प्रश्न
I don't know if I did this before. So now I think it can come out easily. These are very small parts, so have to be careful. Yeah. So it says L and B. I'm not sure if you're able to see this. Let me put L and B. So we have A and L here. So L, I guess, always means lower, so we'll just put it that way. Nowadays I have stopped watching tutorials and stuff. I think that's bad, because you'll understand more only if you check the tutorials. So if you see this, basically, this fall off. That was not very good. Yes, we need to use some Fevikwik here. So I guess that was basically being kept like this for so many years, that would have made it non-functioning, or that plastic part would have damaged there. Let me try putting it. I'm trying to put it in between these two. Let's see.
गनीमत ये रही कि अंदर इस भयानक आग की वजह से कोई हताहत नहीं हुआ है, हालांकि लाखों का नुकसान किया जा सकता है। आग तीव्र लगी,
It is not at all coming in between these two. No, this is there, and we have this also, but this particular part okay. I think I was doing it wrong. Sorry for that. In that process, I messed up this again. So apologies. I really don't know. Let's see if I can take it from the volume rocker here. Let's use the other screwdriver to lift this off. I wish I could have smaller hands for this. Thought I had tweezers somewhere. To be very careful with this actually. Let me try putting some Fevikwik. Oops, this is not too much, but hopefully it is silicone, so it won't. Hopefully this will work. Let it try for some time. Meantime I can put the volume rocker. Put this metal piece back to lock it. It should be in between these two for the perfect lineup. This is what is called perfect. Perfecto. And we come to our power button. So top one first. Yes. I don't know whether these are just for shock absorber or just to provide some kind of protection, but we have replaced now the power button. Sorry, volume plus minus, and then power button here. Where that button went. This is not this one only. So you see, phone is off. Let's try putting this cover and then try to slide it back into the frame. Something off. To align top first. You can choose whatever format you want, but this basically gets locked in the top if you see, and then it's all clamping. Now we have very clickable buttons. Okay, this has gone a little bit. Let's see. That click part is gone, but it's working just like this, right? If you see, it's maybe due to me applying Fevikwik. And it's time to screw it back to the display part. So these are very small screws which goes inside the camera. I think I have chosen the bigger. And the other. So I bought this phone in 2016. So almost 9 years. Actually had a working phone, but yes, this phone was launched with something around 6 GB RAM, something like that. Previously I had 3 GB, and then I told, yes, this is what I want. Well, I always wanted to have a OnePlus phone. Let's first, let's put the SIM back. This way or that way? See, network is coming up or not. Yep, we have the network here. Good, we are done. Thanks for watching.